Are you drowning in crypto transactions and wondering how on earth to handle your taxes? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. Click the link in the description below to get your discount on CoinTracking, your new best friend in the crypto world. So, why is CoinTracking such a game changer? Let's dive into it. As the crypto landscape grows, so does the complexity of managing and reporting taxes. Enter CoinTracking, a leading crypto portfolio tracker and tax calculator designed for crypto traders like you and me. First off, CoinTracking automates the tracking and calculation of gains, losses, and taxable events, ensuring accuracy and compliance with tax laws. No more sleepless nights over manual tracking errors. It integrates seamlessly with your wallets and exchanges, automatically recording and sorting transactions. This is a huge time saver, especially for active DeFi users who have thousands of transactions per year. Now let's talk features. CoinTracking offers a user-friendly interface that's perfect for both retail traders and crypto companies. With nearly 1.5 million users and over 2,000 corporate clients, CoinTracking is trusted by the crypto community. Founded in 2012 and launched in 2013, it has stood the test of time in this volatile industry. One of the best parts? CoinTracking doesn't just help with taxes. It also provides insights into your portfolio's performance, helping you make informed investment decisions and optimize your tax strategy. And let's not forget the peace of mind it brings by ensuring compliance and avoiding potential penalties. CoinTracking also places a strong emphasis on education. Their blog and video tutorials guide you through the platform's features and the complexities of crypto taxation. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, CoinTracking has got you covered. So if you want to streamline your crypto tax process, save time, and make smarter investment choices, CoinTracking is a must-have tool. Don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description below to get your discount and see for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.